Hey guys, Russ Richardson here with Beyond Lincoln. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use your keyless entry code for any Ford or Lincoln product out there. On the inside of your owner's manual, you have a 5-digit code that will allow you to get into your vehicle even when it's locked. So for example, this code right here, if you want to get a close-up, Jim, is 86582. And I'll show you at the end of the video how you can change it. So all you do is swipe down, type in your code. So we have 86582. And that unlocks the car, and if you hit 3-4 right after, it unlocks all the other doors. And then if you'd like, vice versa, you can lock the vehicle using the keyless entry. So on any Ford or Lincoln product, the bottom 2 numbers hit at the same time does lock the car. So we'll go on the inside and I'll show you how you can change this code to something a little easier to remember. All right, guys, I'm on the inside of a Lincoln product here, but it doesn't matter. It could be Ford or Lincoln. Keep in mind, you do need your original code to change the code. If you don't have it, any Lincoln or Ford dealership can get it through a computer process where they just hook your car up. Sometimes they charge you for it, sometimes you don't. But let me show you how to change it if you do have your code on you. So you want to go into your settings here, and it's a little different depending what model Ford or Lincoln you're in, but they all pretty much the same. So you go into your settings, find the vehicle tab there. And then once that opens up, you're going to find the door keypad code. And then once you do that, you would type in your original code. So this one, once again, we have is 86582. So I'm going to type in 86582, enter. And you can add or erase the original code. I recommend just adding. You definitely don't want to erase the original code, but you can if you'd like. So you're going to add another code. And I'm not going to change this one because it's not my vehicle. This is, a car that's for sale. But I would type in a 5-digit code that I wanted. Could be anything you want. 111111. Doesn't matter. Make it whatever you want. Confirm it once you enter. It'll work. I always recommend just checking it out afterwards, making sure it does work. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like and follow the channel. Any other questions, put in the comments below.